I'm going to show you how to make this simple zippered pouches from my pattern 12 pocket purse and your 3 coin purses. So out of the leftovers, you'll be able to cut 3 pieces of fabric this size. So what I want you to do is fold it in half and press so that you have that half mark, that point marked with the press. A hand press is fine. So then you will come over, and on that fold you're going to come in a 1/2 inch from each side of the folded line. 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. Okay, that's going to be very important. Now you're going to place with the right side of your fabric up and the right side of the zipper down, having your needle positioned to the far left so it's stitching down as close as possible. Start sewing and doing some back stitching as well. What you're going to stop at is that point that you marked, that first marked line. So you have 2, you want to stop at that first line there. I've marked mine here with a pin so I know where to stop. Just stitch all the way down. And at the end you want to do back stitching as well. So you take it away from the machine and cut your threads. So now you're going to do the other end as well. So you're going to bring it right side together and you're going to stitch the other end of the zipper down to this end, just like you did the. So you see now the zipper is on the bottom side, but you're sewing it down in the same manner. And you're going to go down all the way to this marking point. See that there? So you'll see you have stitching on both sides at that marking point. So what we have here, the zipper is sewn on both sides, well, both sides of the top of the zippered pouch. And at this end is where we stopped that 1/2 inch on each side of the fold. We're going to place them under, and we're going to stitch across here. And that's going to kind of box in that part of the zipper. So when you stitch that down, this is what you have, top and bottom. Turn it to, so what you're going to do is you're going to set the 8-inch ribbon that you've, take your ribbon about 8 inches and fold it in half, so and you're going to put the ribbon on the inside top part of the pouch, and you're going to be sewing around. So now with the 1/2 inch seam allowance, you're going to sew down the side here and across the bottom. So you have your right sides together, your ribbon is up there in place at the top, following, doing your back stitching. So you're going to stitch your 1/2 inch seam allowance. You're going to pivot at the bottom, turn it, and do the bottom. And if you want, you can pin it in place if you feel like it's shifting too much. So this is what the inside of the bag will look like. We kept that zipper open so that we can turn it right side out and see what our bag's going to look like. So this is the finished zippered pouch. See the zipper and the ribbon, and you can make these all day long. Hope you enjoy.